What's one step towards e-waste recycling? This is a story of a Samsung employee.
Hi, I'm Jessica Sandhu, Sustainability Affairs Manager at Samsung UK. To encourage a circular economy, Samsung works to support the implementation of e-waste policy measures. After e-waste is collected, it is shredded into pieces. Then, valuable resources are extracted, such as gold, silver, copper, aluminium, and more. By reusing these materials in new products, we reduce the environmental impact associated with raw material extraction. Keeping this waste out of landfill also helps to protect people from potentially toxic materials. One of the challenges we face is improving the capture rate of items that are currently disposed of incorrectly. As our business continues to grow, the volume of e-waste that we handle and collect is expected to increase. In addition to various take-back solutions, we ran a project that offered cash back to the customers who returned old devices that didn't have any trade-in value. My colleagues often ask me where they can dispose of their e-waste. We have battery storage bins, but there are more difficult products to consider, such as a light-up Christmas jumper or battery-powered toys, because it may not always be obvious that it is e-waste. I must ensure that I'm constantly engaging the staff to make them consider sustainability in their everyday lives.
We'll take small steps, one recycled piece of e-waste at a time.